We connected Orchestrate to a range of data applications, including planning analytics, their databases, their ERP systems, and we're able to allow the users to have a portal that would allow them to converse with the data set in natural language and get answers in real time from all the different systems combined. It was quite groundbreaking. It was what we did, saved the organization hours and hours of analysts' time in answering the queries that the execs had based on the data. We do operate globally. We specialize in IBM technologies. We are a pure play IBM partner. We do Watsonx Orchestrate. Our DNA is very strong in IBM Planning Analytics, or TM1 as we know it. One thing we found is that an average finance professional usually during his course of the day uses 12 tabs, or he has 12 systems open. So the manual process work required to actually generate the reports, that required getting data from multiple sources in different forms, from PDF, from Excel, downloading different things, even from emails. So what we were able to do was automate all of the manual data handling that they used to do, automate it using Orchestrate, and allow for the data to be normalized and placed into a cube, in one of the planning analytics cube, to get it ready for the reporting. The second facet of it was to automate the reporting bit, which was to do the reporting and publish it out and send it out to all the execs and the relevant stakeholders. A large number of queries coming in from the execs around different aspects of the reports, what if, what now, more details, and that used to take a lot of time from the analyst to do those bespoke interrogation of the data. By putting a natural language a portal that allowed them to type that queries in natural language and be able to get answers in real time without waiting for a human to give those answers, was save them hours and hours. So think of it this way: if a CFO has got a team of qualified accountants who are better suited to provide insights to the team and to the business, they're better suited to provide the insights and not be bogged down in the process work. So for us to save that 40% of their time in being able to free them up to provide insight to the business is huge. The other core consideration was, because we're dealing with finance team, we could not afford to have hallucination. We could not afford to have a generated false information given. So that's why we landed on Watsonx Orchestrate. It's able to allow you to have access to 200 plus pre-built agents, plus we have the ability to build our own agents on top of it. It's able to manage the multiple agents that we will eventually have in our organization. What we need to do is replicate the same for our AI side of business, leveraging Watsonx Orchestrate, leveraging Watson.ai, and anything else that comes down the channel from IBM. We are also at the same time empowering our staff to be able to learn, train, certify in these technologies and be able to offer the best skills to our clients.